Stuck staring at a blank screen trying to design the perfect dashboard wireframe? What if I told you there's a way to go from idea to layout in minutes, with AI doing 80% of the work? Let's stop wasting hours on layout decisions and start wireframing like it's 2025. Last year, I spent over 30 hours wireframing a data dashboard for a fintech client. 30 hours that could have been billable. I was stuck tweaking button placements, adjusting grids, second-guessing user flows. Sound familiar? If you're a product designer, startup founder, or freelancer, you know that wireframing can eat up precious time. But here's the shift. AI is now doing in 5 minutes what used to take us 5 hours. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI tools to create wireframes, especially for dashboard UI/UX projects. Whether you're building a SaaS platform, mobile app, or admin panel, you'll learn how to go from idea, user flow, wireframe without touching Figma, unless you want to. Let's dive into the top 3 AI tools I use personally. And yes, these tools have affiliate programs, so check the links in the description if you want to support the channel and get exclusive discounts. Speak or type your app idea. I need a dashboard for tracking crypto portfolios. Uizard instantly generates a lo-fi wireframe with proper layout, cards, graphs, and navigation. Export directly to Figma or start editing with AI suggestions. Use case, SaaS dashboards, onboarding flows, quick pitch decks. Just describe what you need. A clean dashboard for e-commerce order tracking. Galileo outputs pixel-perfect UI mockups using real data from your prompt. Design systems baked in. Use case, high-end dashboard visuals, investor demos. Drag and drop plus AI-powered layout suggestions. Convert screenshots into editable wireframes instantly. Use case, teams transitioning from napkin sketches to dev-ready wireframes. Step 1. Write a prompt. Design a dashboard for a fitness app showing workout stats, calories burned, and progress over time. Step 2. Choose your tool. I'm using Uizard for speed. Step 3. Edit the layout, tweak cards, rename components. Step 4. Export to Figma or hand off to devs via code export or design system. That's it. In under 5 minutes, you've gone from idea, working wireframe that looks good enough to present to your team or client. Save 80% of your design time. Instant iteration. =faster feedback. Clients think you're a wizard. Focus on UX strategy, not pixel pushing. Stop burnout from design loops. Imagine turning around a first draft within the same meeting. That's the power of AI. And it's no longer optional if you want to stay competitive. If this video helped, smash that like button so YouTube knows this content is valuable. Subscribe for weekly drops on AI design tools and UX automation. Don't just watch, go build faster, smarter, and better with AI. Next week, I'll show you how to take this AI wireframe and turn it into a coded, responsive dashboard using another AI tool. No dev team needed. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Until then, design smarter, not harder.